Hi guys, it's me Anne from Geeks of Green, and today I'm at a lovely nursery and I'm going to do a quick tour for y'all. It's a plant that I don't have. One rat tail just smacked me on my face. Oh my. But before we get into the video, I would like to invite you to follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so yet. We do a lot of plant updates and a lot of fun facts and stories happening there that I'm sure you will enjoy. So do remember to follow me on Instagram. So the Plant People Nursery is in the western suburbs of Mumbai, and it is somewhere in Versova, in a place called Nagar. So this nursery specializes in keeping plants that are rare. You get a lot of aroids here, the rare ones. If you're looking to buy such plants, you will get it here. And also you get a lot of huge size plants. If you want to decorate your homes with plants that are really tall and huge, then this is the place to come. The Plant People Nursery is run by Komal and Angad, and they have maintained it in a very beautiful way. So when you enter, it has a beautiful interior and the plants are displayed so beautifully that you don't feel like leaving this space once you get in here. Okay, so as you enter, what you see to the right side is this huge, humongous monstera, and it is sitting right here in the spot. Just check the size of the leaf. I mean, each leaf is so huge. So this is a smaller one, but there is one here that's really huge. Ooh. Oh my. Sitting right here at the bottom is a Anthurium hookeri, or a bird's nest anthurium, and they are all huge, humongous.
So being a nursery in Bombay, you're always wondering, ki, will such big plants sell? But there's a, growing trend of people wanting big plants in their homes. So right when we got these huge monsteras, we were, thinking, we'll just keep this to feel happy at the studio. We'll keep it. Nobody's going to take it. But it's amazing how many people want this guy. And in Bombay, I'm really amazed that people have the space for it.
It's amazing.
But yeah, when we got them within a month, I think we sold 5 of them.
This is amazing.
Isn't it?
Check out the size
Yeah.
of that. Each leaf is huge.
Yeah.
It's
These
really
are in
gorgeous.
fact smaller leaves. The one that we had earlier was giving even bigger. Look at that.
Oh wow! It's up. I
at
think
that
a
one.
little new. The
Yeah,
leaf, no?
yeah.
It's quite big.
Huge.
Huge.
I'll get that out.
Beautiful.
I'll move them aside.
Yeah.
So we can enter.
Yeah.
This is like Khulja Sin Sin.
Or we can go down. Can you manage with the?
These are Anthurium hookieris. They're again quite an exotic plant to have. Not very easy to come by. Again, it's a collector's plant. Most people will take it if they know about anthurium. Because also for people, usually anthurium is the colored flower.
Yeah, the one. Andrenium.
Yeah. So usually they don't know about too many other anthuriums.
That's true.
Calatheas are extremely popular right now.
Yeah, they are.
Extremely
This
popular.
is beautiful.
But with good reason.
That one is the Academia fasciates,
Yes,
right?
yes. Commonly
That's-
called silver urn.
Silver urn, yes. It, see, the water stays in the urn-like structure, and it's really beautiful.
Pretty easy to take care of, but people are scared of them.
Yeah, it's
I
blooming.
think it's too intimidatingly beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, maybe this is too difficult to take care of.
There's a Maranta Leuconara there.
Yes.
That is called a prayer plant. You call it a prayer plant because the leaves fold up, right?
Yes, yes.
And this is a great size. You don't get this size easily.
And those Dishidia Jerry also going very, very well.
Yeah.
I mean, people love them for the delicate
Yeah.
trailing happening over there.
There are some other Rishiyas there also. And there's Hinduro, the Hoya compacta.
Yeah.
So you can spend hours here just going through stuff, you know. It's like one corner, one nook. You can sit and keep, you know, digging in and you'll find something new. It's like amazing.
Sweet part is that most people who come here, see, there are 5% people who are not talkative. So those will not say much, they'll choose their stuff and go. But most people who come who are plant lovers, or so they'll come and they'll be, you know, there's that look on their face, ki, oh, this is pretty, okay, nice.
Yeah.
This is nice to spend time in.
Yeah.
So, and a lot of people have told us that, you know, your place is really charming and there's a nice vibe to it. These are also lovely, you know, huge
Kangaroo paw fern. I love this one.
huge size.
Yeah, it's really huge. See, look at the paws here. That's why it's called the kangaroo paw fern. Really pretty. Some nice big Monstera Peru up there also. Can you see that? Look at the size of the leaves. It's quite big.
That's called a grape ivy. Flora and fauna.
Really? How cute. Check out this
This I
bird's
want to
nest
take out
fern.
and show you.
So huge.
Someone asked me once, literally, can I spray paint my plant? I said, you bought it. It's yours. You can do whatever you want. I would say no. This is something people don't usually use as a house plant. Even nurseries have not really sold it as a house plant.
Yeah.
But we again love it because it's unique looking and it's
Its
huge.
name you just said.
Bismarckia palm.
Bismarckia. Okay.
So we've, given it to a couple of clients for most. It's an outdoor plant. Can't really keep it indoor, but for their terraces and all that, we've given it, and they're very happy with it.
Very
So
stunning looking.
yeah, look at how it opens up.
Wow.
This
It's like a
is-
sword and then it
yeah,
opens up.
yeah.
Oh, like a fan. So pretty.
Giving out 2 new leaves now. This is one.
Nice. This is a very cute cove like room for plants. It's really fantastical, you can say. There's a huge bird of paradise right here. This fellow grows to be very huge. This one is not as big. There are some ferns there, and look at those episcias. Those episcias have absolutely huge leaves. You can see the size of the leaves of those episcias. They're looking so gorgeous. And here we have all the clarinerviums, Anthurium clarinervium. Silky, shiny leaves. We have more Maranta Leuconaras here and good sized ones. They're called the prayer plant. And you can see that here they're blooming as well. Very beautiful plant. Perfect to have in a hanging pot. I just spotted this alocasia stingray and it is so gorgeous. Just see the leaves. They look like a stingray. That's why they get the name. And just see the stalk also. How beautiful it is. Sadly, this is Komal's personal plant and it's not for sale. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. What is this one? This is
a grass variety.
It's
We
very
use it
cute.
for terrariums.
Yeah, I was thinking of picking up some for terrariums. It's so small and cute.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Now these are some begonias, some really gorgeous looking begonias. And I do plan to pick at least one of each variety. They are so beautiful. I always have space for begonias in my home and in my heart. Love begonias. Okay, some nice maculata here, full pots. Okay, doing really well. See this one, long branches. Really nice. Here is a Calathea silver plate again. And it's a plant that I don't have. It's there's a flower. Cool. So Komal has this amazing collection of terracotta pots. There are different shapes, sizes, and it looks. I mean, there's one for every kind of plant. So she's taken a lot of trouble to curate, to get all these pots together under one roof, and it's amazing. So there is something for everyone. Check out those ceramic pots in the corner. Beautiful colors. Check out this rat tail cactus. It's bursting out of the pot practically. No?
It's so heavy to lift up.
It is?
It's insanely heavy.
It just hit me on the. Oh my! I'm not even attempting. One rat tail just smacked me on my face.
I was intending to move it.
No, it's okay. It's
You
okay.
can go into someone's eye also.
Yeah, it's nice. This is a Hoya, right?
Yeah. This is the sunrise.
Sunrise. Calatheas can never have enough. Beautiful.
This is also very
String of
interesting
hearts.
new plant.
This is like a low light or a...
Can keep it in shade also, but will flower better in a brighter spot.
I just ordered this online from a Facebook seller.
Nice.
These are coleus?
Yes. Coleus.
Such different variety, yeah?
Coleus Mayan.
Beautiful.
That's
Silver lace
another-
fern.
Yeah.
That's another beautiful one. I
Yeah.
have that.
Again, nobody wants that.
Really? So cute.
Oh look, there's a lot of blue happening over
Oh
here.
yeah. Nice blue.
Riley.
Yeah. Look at the blue. Super. Really nice. Calathea section. This is the Calathea section. We have the Magrus, Rufi Barbar. We have the Macayona, the Medallion. Check out the Sayanantha. Just check out the pot. How cute is that?
So these pots we are specifying shapes and sizes and then getting them made.
What's his name? What's his name?
His name is Jody.
Jody. So cute, he's so cute. He liked you, Jake.
Tried to keep all kinds of materials, whether it's wooden, ceramic, porcelain, terracotta, concrete, metal, everything. And we customized a lot of planters also for a lot of people. So we've actually made planters out of beer kegs, fabricated planters, made rope ka pura wrappings around it, you know. So we've done a lot of that in the past because we truly believe that given the right planter, the look of the plant totally changes, you know.
It does.
So that is one thing that, and so it's like very easy for people to come in here and treat it as a one-stop shop for their plant decor needs. Because
So they buy the plant and then you plant it and give it to them.
So it's very convenient. They don't
I
need
saw
to
that
go
happening there with the monstera and all.
with the huge one, yeah.